So this last one is just this T-pin, and again, it's kind of tacked into there, so I'm just going to go straight line with this. And I'm just going to keep it a rectangular point. I'm going to swap this back so it has just the stroke. Bump it over a little bit. And just hold the shift key to make it. And use the smart guides to help me line this up. And there you have it. That's simple. Okay. So all you need to do is take a look at it, kind of estimate the height of this. I'm going to give it a little bit of a thickness to it. Okay. If I select the circles, I can curve it, so it curves it right away. I can drag the direct selection around this and maybe make this a little shorter. Do this one a little tighter too. Okay. Oops. So I have everything I need, and just maybe drop this down just a little bit. So there's the T-pin. Take a look at it in the stroke palette. I'm just going to round off the edges here. And that's all of them. If I just want to do one of them, just select it and round it off. I think it's going to give me both endpoints. So taking a look at that section. So I can give it one more point and just go to object path, kind of the same as before, and outline that stroke. So I'm going to duplicate it first. Okay, and pick a color, just going to give it a little bit of a tone so it's a solid piece. Come down to the point of this one here. You can see this is the point I'm going to bring up to there, so I can change that one here. Up at the top I can convert it to a corner point. I can also take the anchor point tool and just click on it, and that'll give me a sharper point on it, and drop it down a little bit. And there you have it. Very simple. There's the piece, and then it's just a matter of changing it. I might lighten it up just a little bit. Go to Effect, 3D, and this time you're going to extrude it. And when you see how thick it is, you just have to drop this down to maybe 10 points. Maybe even smaller than that. And when you get to this part, you can change the rounded part of it, so now it has those points. It says it's going to intersect itself, so you just got to watch that. Okay, but that gives you the highlighting there. Backing it up like so. And click OK. And while you're here, you can mess around with the color in the appearance panel. Here's the fill, and here's the section, so you can actually pinpoint it like this, so you can come through here and change the color, lighten it up, or go into a value. And there you have it. So all three of these pieces kind of place them together. Easily done. And there you have it. And then we'll come back later for the paper part.